All right, so let's say we have a pendulum and we will be displacing this pendulum by some angle about its equilibrium position, and I have the angle theta labeled here. We need to figure out what the height of, or the vertical height of displacement is. So to do that, it's convenient to break this pendulum up into kind of like a triangle. So I want you to copy this diagram and note that the position of the pendulum has changed. It now has a height of h, and I want to calculate what this height is based on the angle it's been displaced from equilibrium. The pendulum has length L, and that's the length from the ceiling or wherever it's attached to the center of the pendulum bob. That's what constitutes the length. It's the same length L over here. But the vertical height has changed. So to determine this change, I can use a little bit of trig to figure out what this height should be. This pendulum has been lifted up a certain amount, and I can see that the total length L is related to the sides of this triangle. I have L, I have an angle, and what if I could figure out this side X? This X just goes from here to the height, to what the vertical displacement would be. So L is made up of X plus H. So the height would be L minus X. Well, what is X? If I use the triangle I've created in the top part, I have I have theta, I have a hypotenuse L, and I'm looking for this adjacent side X. Yes, I can use cosine. Cosine theta would be adjacent X over L. So X is equal to L cosine theta. H then is equal to L minus L cosine theta. Short and sweet, to the point, take good notes, and I will see you in class.